Hey, what's up, YouTubers? I'm in the process of putting some new lights on my running boards. This is the old light that I'm taking out here. I bought some LED lights if I can find them. This is the LED lights that I'm using, the rock lights. This is the power step that I have. In the process of, these are lights I'm going to use. I'm pulling the felt, I guess it's just like a covering to help protect the light, and that I've taken that off so the double-sided sticky will adhere to this, and then I'm running a black wire tie around this so it will stay. So in the process of doing that, and trying a couple new angles with my two different cameras. Hopefully this will work. The GoPro, I'm having a hard time figuring it out, but we'll get it. But I'm in the process of drilling this hole, and we'll just go from there, and hopefully you guys can tag along with me. Drilling these out, I've been having a difficult time with this morning, just because of the, trying to do the camera and that. It's a little bit harder than what it looks. But anyway, try to center this as much as I can, keep you guys in the loop. See if I can crawl up under there with you guys. Hopefully the camera is keeping up with me, and y'all can see, because I can't see the camera. But I've been taking this, running it through. I've got some double-sided sticky tape here, and I'll kind of show you that process. And then what I've been doing with the black wire tie and how I've been doing it. This is the old wiring. I just had cut it loose. Kind of peeled this back a little bit, just enough to where I've been soldering my joint. I like all mine soldered, heat shrunk, so we'll just kind of go into that a little bit. I've been taking the double-sided sticky tape and putting on the backs of these. It's a very thin layer. I don't know if y'all will be able to see it, but I just been kind of, I got the pre-cut, the thinner stuff, just been putting it on the back. Got a little fuzzle in there. And this is 3M tape. Also done the other side. I don't know if you can see that. And then I've been find all my stuff, just kind of stripping these back a little bit, just enough, and then just kind of been cutting that. And then I'll come back and put the wires up nice and neat. And I'll strip this back and then let you guys see how I'm doing that. I've just been taking a real fine razor knife and just been peeling that stuff back there. This is some of the better 3M stuff. I've used others in the past. It's kind of released. You know, I had to go back and replace it with 3M, so we might as well use the right stuff. I've just been from experience. And then you just run your light through there. Try to center it up as much as you can. It's probably good with the 3M. Yeah, I just want to go with the blue, but it'd probably stay, but just to be safe, I've been using a wire tie, crawl up under here. And I've just been running it up through like so. Try to keep the knot part that seals it, and I just kind of hook it there. And cut it, and there it is. And then I've been kind of running. Let's see if I can find my cutters. And just, I don't know if you can see that very well, but just kind of strip it back. And take this one, strip that one back. I've also been cutting these a little bit shorter, the black to black, of course, and then your black or your blue to your red. Kind of like so. And I try to get it as tight as I can. And I forgot one step here, guys. See, even us professionals make mistakes. Don't forget to put your heat shrink on first. So this has got to come apart. I just kind of run it up there out of the way to where when I'm soldering it, don't get it shrunk up. Then you go back. Strip this side. And then you go in here and you stick these two together. Try to make it look as good as you can. And you grab your Milwaukee soldering iron, let it heat up in the process. Get your solder. And hopefully you won't knock yourself in the head. And you solder it. And it may take a few minutes for that to heat up. I had it off. And it looks like my battery's getting low because it's flashing, but that's okay. We got another battery. It's starting to work. Hopefully you all can see this. Most of the time I just heat up the wire. It shrinks around it but today it's not wind blowing just enough. But we got 70-degree weather out, so. Alright guys, I'm gonna change the battery. It looks like it's not gonna do nothing. Alright, we got a fresh battery, and hopefully this will work. Not one of my better soldering jobs, but it'll work. I try to get it good and saturated. Then what I like to do, guys, is you got the liquid tape. I like to just run a little thin, and you got to be careful because not get too much, because I have set this afire. Kind of just dab it on there a little bit. Take your heat shrink, run it over it, make sure it's over your liquid tape, otherwise, and like this one, we'll see what happens. But sometimes when you get a bunch of it on there, I have to wipe it off here, you will set it on fire when you go to heat it up with your snap-on heat shrink gun. Alright, that's pretty good there. Then what I like to do is come back again. Hopefully I won't get a face full of this. And I just like to run it on top of that. Same way with this one. I learned this when I was doing cars and things, and I had to go back and redo a limousine. Some of the stuff had got wet. The gentleman was happy the second go around because I'd done every light. It takes a little longer this way, but it sure does work. And then just me personally, I'll take some of the regular tape. You know, this all may be overkill, but I'll go ahead and what little bit of this we can use, and this stuff I hate with a passion, but it works. It's just hard getting it back in there, and for those of you that deal with cars day in and day out know what I'm talking about. This crap is just, but it helps protect the wires and things. I tried to get it back the best I can, and then I'll take and run my tape around what I just got done doing. That way you know that it's going to be all sealed up. You're not going to have to worry about any moisture or anything getting in there. Alright, then you can run that back up in there. And get you a wire tie or something and tie it back up. But yeah, that's, you know, this is the old LED lights. These are the newer ones that I'm using here. They come in a kit. I think you get, I think it was, yeah, it was an 8-piece set. I'll probably only use 4 of them. They're actual rock lights. I may put them other places and order another set. Right now, I'm just using them for the steps. Like I said, a couple of these went out on the steps, so I figured I'd just go ahead and use these for the, and sorry about the sun, guys, use some of these for my steps when they open and close. Hopefully they'll last. We'll see. They were inexpensive, I think $8 for the set of them. Hopefully y'all like this little video on this Super Bowl Sunday afternoon. I know everybody's getting ready for the Super Bowl and stuff, so like, share, comment, subscribe to my videos. Hopefully we will see you in the next video, and stay tuned for more content. Have a great day, and God bless, and we will see you in the next video.